Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make rainbow LED lights with a remote. First, choose a high-quality RGB LED strip, ensuring it has an adhesive backing for easy installation. Next, prepare your surface by cleaning it thoroughly to ensure proper adhesion. Then, unroll the strip carefully, planning your layout before removing the protective film. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful installation process. Now, let's connect everything. Attach the LED strip to its controller, aligning the arrows on both components. Then, plug the controller into a suitable power adapter, typically a 12V or 24V unit, depending on your strip's requirements. Make sure all connections are firm to avoid any power interruptions. This setup provides the necessary power and control for your dazzling rainbow display. With power connected, it's time to set up your remote. Most remotes automatically pair with the controller when first powered on. If not, follow the specific pairing instructions in your kit, often involving holding a button for a few seconds. Once paired, you can effortlessly switch between a spectrum of colors, adjust brightness, and select exciting dynamic modes, creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. To maximize your experience, consider a few tips. If your remote isn't working, check the battery and ensure it's pointed directly at the controller. For a smoother light, try adding an LED diffuser strip. These simple additions can significantly enhance your rainbow lighting. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your vibrant new lighting setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.